Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. In case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can contact me via WhatsApp, or you drop your question in the comment section. Okay, so these are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, a custom-made indicator that does not repeat. Okay, so if you are having, you can follow up with the analysis. So I'm on 15-minute time frame. So this is GainX 1200. This has been an uptrend right from here, got to this region, came back down. Okay, went back up again to get to this region and came back down, and of course it's going back up again. If it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to break structure at that particular point, and it's going to buy more. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and of course this particular trend, asset had been on uptrend, got to this region, went back on downtrend, and of course I actually gave out a little signal this evening, this afternoon, on Telegram channel, but it was not activated because it didn't go as predicted. This happened to be the entry point, but it didn't go, it didn't get there at all. So it pulled back at that particular point, and it started an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. So this is still buying at the moment. So we expect it to get to at least somewhere here. Let me use this. It should get to this region. Okay, it has gotten there already. If it should break out above this, then it should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Okay, this is PayNext 1200. This actually gave us a downtrend signal at this resistance zone and a sell signal. So till it got to this region, had a pullback, went back down again. There are some pullbacks in between days and days. Okay, so right now it has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to continue with the sell trend, but if it does not, then it will buy at that particular point. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Okay, let me add my trading tool. Okay, so this is PayNext 999, and of course, just the way we are seeing this has been on downtrend for long, right from here, and it has got into this region. So it was unable to break out from this support zone. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, and of course, this is buying at the moment. Okay, so this should give us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Those that are having the indicator should be in profits right now, because this is where they ought to have placed their order, set their stop loss here, and this should be in profits right now. And remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. Now let's move on to FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 80, and of course this has been on downtrend for on uptrend from here, got to this region. There are pullbacks in between. We had pullbacks around there, but broke out from the structure at this point, and of course had another pullback and broke out from the structure also at this point. And right now, it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it should break out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it's going to sell more right from there. Okay, and of course, if you are considering this to trade the sell, you should also draw out your trend line, because um this shows that it is on uptrend. Okay, So probably it might want to sell till it get to this region before trying to go back up to break out from the structure. That is if it wants to break out from the structure. But if you break out from here, then it's going to sell totally to change the direction of the trend into a full downtrend at that point. Okay. But for now, this is still very much on uptrend than a downtrend, so it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly um go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.